Coming here today from the Planet Hollywood in Costa Rica. I am in the Junior Suite Star Class room. The Star Class room comes with extra amenities from an upgraded menu for your room service. This room has, for your room service, you have the honeymoon box here so you don't get disturbed. When the food is delivered, they stick it in the box. It does lock on this side, so you don't have to worry about any security issues. The room has a sitting chair here, couch here, with a chair, beautiful mirrors, coffee maker there for you, plenty of desk space, drawer space here, nice king size bed, and your TV. And all the rooms have nice little sinks here. Then we come over here to the balcony. This is an oceanfront Star Class Junior Suite. 2 chairs on the balcony. Beautiful ocean views here. The sun is starting to set. Now from the balcony being open, you can hear the music down by the pool. But once the balcony doors are shut, you do not hear anything. It is soundproof. Come into the bathroom. They do have these pocket doors, which is nice, so you can close off to have privacy from the bathroom. And in the bathroom, you do have your double sinks. Nice walk-in shower with natural lighting, rain shower, your upgraded bathroom products, as well as a handheld shower device, and a bench. The room has a scale. We have a makeup mirror here as well. Big full-size mirrors for when you're dressing. Iron board robes to be used, complimentary. Umbrella, extra blankets. On this side of the closet, you have plenty of drawer space, along with your safe. Toilet is over here. And then we have our mini refrigerator with more drawer space and more storage space. Plenty of space in this lovely room. This is an all-inclusive Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica. Adults, families, plenty to do, very active, and a lot of entertainment. And this is a Star Class room with the upgraded amenities and upgraded room service and minibar. The mini fridge is filled with complimentary soft drinks, soda, bottled water, and juices. Another benefit from the Star Class rooms is access to the private Star Club pool with less crowds and upgraded bar service.